Got a little video here of '08 Duramax 6.6. Just replaced a fuel filter for a customer, and here is procedure for priming the fuel system. This will bleed the air out of it. You want to open up this bleed screw here. Already heard air pressure bleed out of it. Then you just want to give this pump a few presses here. You can hear the air purging out of it. There's a little bit there. And do it one more time. That's it. Tighten up the screw. So you know the filter was accessed through the fender lining here. Cycle the key on. There you go. So that's it. Pretty simple procedure. Just remember, don't crank on it long. It'll burn your starter up, and ain't gonna get you anywhere anyway with all that air in there. So pretty simple procedure. You don't have to take that whole inner fender well out, but you will have to bleed it. So hope this helps.